welcome. Today I'm going to try an organizing video, so stay tuned. I have toilet paper and paper napkins back there. I have baby wipes. I have diapers and paper towels. I also store some paper towels in my kitchen. And you can see that there's a lot of space. This cupboard goes back really deep, so I have a lot of empty space there. Right here I have our beach towels that we're not using because it is the winter, almost. Towels, a lot of our towels are dirty, so they're not here. But so we normally have like about that much towels. Another one here. I'll also keep hand towels somewhere, but we usually use them all. Washcloths I put in this basket. I have our first aid kit back there so the kids don't mess with it at all. An extra shower curtain and rods. This is an extra empty wipes container. And my Epsom salts, again, I don't want the little kids getting into it. And then my scale, again, glass. So this is down low. Now the kids pretty much stay out of this, but anyway, I have the tub with anything that's not in our bathtub right now. So have some empty bottles of essential oils with Epsom salts. This is some extra conditioner, not the shampoo that came in this bottle. Witch hazel extra conditioner. I'm trying to use up this stuff. Body wash. This we haven't had to use in summer. Insect repellent. And then I use this lotion a lot, but since I use it after a shower, I have it in here. Then over here, I decided to put extra toothbrushes, extra toothpaste and flossers for the kids here, so it's accessible, easy for my husband to find. This is just a mishmash of all kinds of stuff, from thermometers to extra flossers to sunscreen that we're not using. I don't really hardly ever use this mirror. This is my little travel toiletry pouch, extra hair ties, alcohol swabs. Back there I have my blow dryer. I usually let my hair air dry, so I'll just pull that out if I really need it. These are pads. I am not cycling right now because breastfeeding keeps my periods at bay. Contact stuff that I don't wear my contacts regularly, hardly ever, but I'm just keeping it just in case. Anyway, it's not like I can hand my contacts off to somebody, so I'll just keep them until they're too old to use. This is a pouch with some extra things. I don't shave anymore, so I actually have an electric razor in here and some mishmash of different things. Anyway, here's something that is open, so I can't really pass it on, and it's kind of old. But anyway, I don't know if I should just toss this or use it for maybe my cracked heels. Tell me what you think. Anyway, that is it. You can see there is so much space in here. It's crazy. Here on the floor, I'm trash, recycling. I'm moving this stuff into my other bathroom. Cleaning cloths. These are some essential oil stuff I'm moving elsewhere. This is an unopened package. I'm not going to use this. This was in my first aid kit. Clean hands. I think I'm going to put something else in its place. And then I'm getting rid of this too. I don't need any more triglycerin or whatever it's called. Anyway, that antibacterial stuff that's not good for you. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm thinking of donating it to my church so they can use it in their big thingy-mabobber. So that's my organization. This was super fast. Everything's pretty clean, so I didn't wipe it out this time. Let me show you how my shower's organized. Conditioner, not the one that was actually in there. I have a little bit of shampoo left, and this is what my kids use. And what my husband is using right now. We're trying to get rid of toxins and switch over to Young Living products. So yeah, but I'm kind of a minimalist when it comes to bathroom stuff. Not a total minimalist, but I do not like to have a bunch of products that are half used up. I've been trying to use them all up or pass them on to someone who can use them. So comment below if you would like to see more organizational videos from me. I just thought I would do this for fun. And if you are here just for this video, normally I post videos on essential oils, Young Living products, cooking, natural healthy living, all kinds of stuff. So be sure to subscribe if you're interested in any of those things. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.